Here's how to get a refund on App Store purchases or subscriptions. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head into the App Store on your iPhone. Let's tap on your name at the very top and check to see which current subscriptions you have active. Let's tap on subscriptions here. And the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to cancel it. So if you're having an issue with one of these, all you need to do is tap on it and hit cancel. That's the first step. We're going to cancel it, but then we're going to request that refund. To be able to do that, let's hop out here, and there are two different options. You can head into the Settings app on your iPhone, and then tap at the very top on your name. After you've done that, we're going to scroll down a little bit until we get to Media and Purchases, and tap on that. Let's choose the View Account, the second option there, and you'll be able to see it pops up with all of your purchases and your account settings in the Purchase History. So tap on Purchase History, and you'll be able to see all of your past purchases. Now, you can request a refund on here. It doesn't always work, and if it doesn't work, I'll walk you through a second option. So let's tap on, for instance, CapCut. I can tap on it, and you can see Report a Problem. And tap on that, and it should open up a web browser and take you directly to Report a Problem. Let me enter my face. reportaproblem.apple.com. So you can see again on here, reportaproblem.apple.com. So if this doesn't work or you don't see that button, just go directly to that website and follow these steps. After you've done that, you can see at the very top, it says, what can we help you with? And you can choose on here, I'd like to request a refund, and then tell us more. It doesn't matter what you choose here. Let's say I didn't mean to buy this. And then tap on next here, and then choose Show All Purchases. We're going to choose one of these purchases. Keep in mind, it does need to post. So if you just made that purchase or just canceled that app subscription, you might need to wait a day or two until it shows up on this list. After it does, just tap on it and then hit next and go through the process of requesting that refund. Usually they'll give you a refund within a day or two for items that you purchases in app subscriptions or subscriptions.